Now, let's take a look at the microcontroller we are going to be using for the practical section of this course. We decided to go with the Tiva C LaunchPad TM4C123 made by Texas Instruments. This microcontroller is a Cortex-M4 based microcontroller, and the price is fairly reasonable. It's between $11 to $13, and we think given the balance between price and performance, this is a good choice. So the processor for this microcontroller is a Cortex-M4. It comes with 256 kilobytes of ROM, which is flash ROM. Also, it comes with about 32 kilobytes of RAM, and it gives a maximum speed of 80 megahertz. This is what it looks like. So now let's take a look at the various parts of the microcontroller board we're going to be using. This is the board. This fair square is the main microcontroller. It's a TM4C123 and it's made by Texas Instruments. There's another microcontroller here, and this is the debugger. This is for debugging purposes. Then we have the power switch at the debug side of the microcontroller board. It's used for, as the name implies, turning on and off the board. We are given two USB ports. The first one is the debug port, and this is the only one we're going to be using for our course. The other one is the host USB port. We wouldn't be running any experiment for USB host. And we have the reset button here. This is probably the one we're going to use the most, because what happens is whenever you run and download a new program onto your board, you have to press on the reset button so that the board resets with the new code you've downloaded onto it. We are given two input switches here, the switch 1, the switch 2, and we have one output RGB, red, green, blue LED. So with this input and output, we can run some experiments without even adding our own wires and input and output devices to it.